On the Pantum P2500W, you'll notice two buttons on top. We're going to press the Wi-Fi button, and the printer will immediately print out a configuration page. Here's that printed page. It contains two important pieces of information, the Wi-Fi Direct network name and the password. Keep this page handy because we'll need it in just a moment. Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'm showing you how to connect the Pantum P2500W printer to your Windows PC using Wi-Fi Rect. Now, over on the Windows desktop, click the Wi-Fi icon in the taskbar at the bottom right. A list of all available networks will appear. Scroll through the list and look for the printer's network name. Select it, then enter the password from the page we just printed. Hit Connect. And just like that, connection successful. Your PC is now connected directly to the printer over Wi-Fi Direct. No router, no internet required. Next, open the control panel. Click on View Devices and Printers. This takes us to the Printer Management section where we can add our printer. Click Add a Printer. Windows will automatically scan for nearby printers. Within a few seconds, you'll see the Pantum P2500W appear in the list. Select it and click Next. You'll see the status change to Connecting, then Installing Pantum Printer. Windows is setting up the driver automatically, no manual installation needed. Installation complete. The Pantum P2500W is not listed in your Devices and Printers section, fully ready to print. No Wi-Fi router needed, just press one button and you're connected. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you need a replacement,